So we now have a lot of tools for our CNC router, and it's kind of hard to keep track of them sometimes. You know, once you put the tool in the tool holder, now you don't know what that is anymore. We have created a tool tag tracking system, and we have this for our mill, which was super helpful because that's an enclosed machine. If you have ISO30 spindle, you can now use our tool tag tower, which is this black thing, and then the tags themselves. It's got really strong magnets. Slap it on the side of your gantry or whatever that makes sense for you. And then our Pro 408, it's been upgraded to 12 tools. So you would put the tool tag in the corresponding spot of the position. So like one over there. I just did a couple of these labels as examples, but you can twist it to kind of see what's on the side. You can set up your labels. We have a guide for that and see what info you have on that or reorder it. And then also the big thing is being able to quickly set up the gauge length or the measured length instead of having to go over and touch off the tool every time. So we do that a lot, so you can keep a standard measure of that tool and not have to touch it off. Tool 5 needs to come off the machine. I just pull it off, pull this tool out. So that's our 23375C. It's a compression cutter. And I would throw this tag on. And if I'm going to replace 5, or I need a new one, or I'm just going to put something else in that position, now I take it over, put it on our rack, and now everybody knows what that tool is and all the information about it. So you don't have to go, what is this? And get out calipers and try to figure out who made the tool. It's a nice system and it's really easy to set up. You could slap it somewhere else. Machine, you could probably throw it down there. It'd be kind of nice too. I think ideally I want it up over here, but we just don't have any space left. Available now, we have a range, I think from 10 positions up to 17, which is basically the full range of what we offer in pedestals. But if there's a range of tools in a tower that we don't offer, just let us know and we'll try to accommodate it.